Hi guys, this is Ayushi Burman.
Hey guys, this is Arindam Sarkar.
Hello everyone, my name is Nasra Begum.
Hello, I'm Reshma.
Hi guys, my name is Nana Chopra.
Hi guys, this is Kabir and we
Are
The Ultimates.
आप लोगों ने अभी तक नोटिस कर ही लिया होगा कि ये हमारा पहला वीडियो है एंड फॉर दैट वी वांटेड टू मेक इट वेरी फन, crazy as well as creative at the same time. So we have taken inspiration from the most amazing, the most craziest team, Damn Fam. So basically हम समझा दे रहे हम क्या करेंगे. I'm just gonna call my friends and I'm gonna give them a certain challenge and I'm gonna explain it to you right then and there. Let's go call them up.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. क्या कर रहे हो सर?
We can catch up later. I have a very interesting thing for all of us. Are you guys into it?
Yes.
क्या है क्या?
It's about our YouTube channel. I thought of a plan and it's like a challenge जो हम लोग कर सकते हैं. The whole idea is to do a styling video. Are you guys up for it? But there's a slight twist in it. We cannot like majorly use our clothes.
What?
Like we cannot use the elements that we have in our wardrobe. We can switch here and there, but majority of the clothing will be हम लोग के family members में से किसी के भी cupboard से कुछ भी, like any accessory, any clothing.
अरे बाप रे.
Shit,
It will be real fun.
It will
Are you guys up for it?
So wait,
Yes,
I
yes.
have to take something. Basically, I have to take something from my family member's wardrobe, right? That's what you're saying.
Exactly. Like anything you want,
Cool.
and you can incorporate से कुछ भी,
अच्छा,
but majorly it will be your family's outfits.
It's gonna be interesting.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, excited.
Yes. So
Stop shouting.
so let's keep this enthusiasm आगे तक. I hope we all
Stop
do
being
it.
so scripted.
Whatever.
I have to go sleep. Okay, bye.
As we already know the challenge कि क्या करना है and I am really so excited because ये styling वाला चीज़ दिल के बहुत करीब है. But when I got this challenge, I was really worried क्योंकि मेरे पास यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर ऑप्शन था नहीं क्योंकि मेरा ज़्यादा कपड़ा पड़ा हुआ है कोलकाता में and because of this COVID I had to come to my home. So anyways, finally मैं कुछ ढूंढ के निकाला हूँ. So मेरा कपड़ा अभी ट्रॉली में पड़ा हुआ है. So अभी हम बाहर तो गए नहीं थे तो कुछ निकाला नहीं. Okay, yes. So I got this. I need this white shirt. I got this black denim. So yes, मेरे को जो चाहिए था मेरे को मिल गया. अभी जाते हैं मम्मी के वार्डरोब में. देखते वहाँ क्या मिलता है मेरे लिए. Oh my god, यहाँ ढूंढना मतलब. So I need something in. Okay, what is this? Yes. मेरे को जो चाहिए था मुझे मिल गया है. मम्मी के वार्डरोब से मुझे मिला एक शॉल जिसको मैं पहन के स्टाइल करने वाला हूँ. Let's see कैसा लुक आता है. And I have got some jewelry. Okay, so let's do the challenge now. Let's go.
Hi, it's me again. I have taken out some elements from my brother's closet and I'm gonna show you कि हम क्या पहन रहे हैं. So I have decided to go a little classy. My inspiration was a bit Korean because I was recently watching some K-drama and I really loved it. So I'm gonna quickly show you कि क्या पहन रहे हैं. I just said that before. So let's watch. I have taken a plain white shirt from my brother's closet which I have to iron again. I know. This jacket from his closet. He's gonna fire me up after this. This plain black jeans is mine. I am gonna pair it up with these glasses which I've got from Shein but we cannot buy them anymore in India. And a golden watch for the classy touch. These golden jewelry. I have a plain black sling bag with golden belt. Also I'm gonna pair this up with some black and golden heels. I really feel these will go well together. Let's hope for the best.
So guys, so guys.
Eterpurma, avo vagyone mar
prepared for this challenge. So then I came up with an idea कि let's take something from the opposite gender of my family. So I'm going to go and have a look at my brother's closet and I'll see what I can get from there.
हाय गाइस, मेरे को थोड़ा रेट्रो लुक चाहिए. आई वांट अ रेट्रो वाइब टू माय लाइक स्टाइलाइज्ड लुक. सो देखते हैं क्या मिलता है मुझे. ओके, आई फील this shirt is good. I think I'll choose this shirt right over here and I'll select a tie. Oh, I got a tie which matches the shirt. ये you see, ये शर्ट के साथ भी मैच हो जाएगा. तो ये सब पुराना टाई है पापा का थोड़ा. ये शर्ट भी थोड़ा पुराना है. So I'll take these. And what I'll do, मैंने अपना एक corset बनाया था. I'll use that corset and I'll stylize something out of it. So I'll show you guys. Let's go.
This is a challenge given by आयुषी, जिसमें हम लोग को अपने क्लोजेट से तो नहीं बल्कि किसी और के क्लोजेट से we have to choose any garment and stylize it on our own way. Tricky है थोड़ा, but I have decided कि क्या पहनना है क्या नहीं पहनना है and कैसे करना है, and I'll show you guys after some time. So finally I have decided what I'm gonna wear. This one is a plain black shirt which I borrowed it from my fiance, and this one is an organza sari जो मम्मी का है, pairing it with this belt, giving it an Indo-Western style, plus adding some of my statement earrings, okay, and giving it a bold look. You can see that. देखते हैं इसका रिजल्ट क्या होने वाला है. I'm very excited बाकी सब क्या करने वाले हैं, and hopefully it's gonna be a blast.
Hi guys, this is Naman and this is probably going to be our first video on YouTube and I'm so damn excited about it. And I don't know, मैं probably सोच रहा था कि मैं अपने पापा का एक पुराना ब्लेज़र निकाल करके उसको थोड़ा jazz up करूँ, थोड़ा अपना स्टाइल बनाऊँ. So देखते हैं, let's see. I'm gonna probably show you what I'm gonna do in the next slide. Please don't mind my look right now. Just trying the costume to see if it fits. So I am currently ready for the shoot. I'm about to go take some videos. See you.